These replace the covers that cover the cylinder heads and give them a far better protection than just relying on the crash bars alone for when the bike falls over. So basically what we do, we sort of take the cover off that's already there, which basically involves just undoing a little screw. That just slips off. And these are the rally art covers that I'm going to replace. So first of all, we've got to take the bars off. I've basically pre-undone the bolts there. There we go. There's another one up here. And this one here. So they swing out the way, and it's just a matter of putting the so this actually comes with all the things lined up, and it's best to put the top one on first. Careful not to cross thread the screws. And we'll just do the bottom ones. The bottom ones can be a bit awkward. Right, that's about it. And just tighten the top one. The rubbers on the bars here, they basically don't fit back over the cover, so they actually have to come off, which is just a matter of drilling out the rivets and hold it on. So, solid as. So it's just a matter of putting all the bar back, but they actually provide a lot more coverage than just the standard bars, so if it falls off over a rock, it doesn't sort of smash the rocket covers. So I've already done the other side, so I'll just show you what that looks like. And that's the other side. So it's just a matter of putting the bars back to where they were and doing up the bolts, and that's how easy it is to put MOTO-ART rocker covers protectors on the 1250 GSA. Thanks for watching.